iPhone 6s Plus battery repair. Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, iPhone 5-point pentalobe screwdriver, iSesamo opening tool, suction cup, fine tip curved tweezers, iPhone 6s Plus battery adhesive strips, power down your iPhone 6s Plus. Remove the two bottom pentalobe screws located next to the lightning connector. Place a suction cup near the home button and pull the display assembly away from the rear case. Use the iSesamo opening tool to help carefully separate the display assembly from the rear case. Take your time and apply firm, constant force. The display assembly is a much tighter fit than most devices and is held down with adhesive. The display assembly is still connected to the iPhone by several cables, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following 5 Phillips screws, securing the metal cover to the motherboard. Now use the fine tip curved tweezers to disconnect the LCD, digitizer and front camera and proximity sensor cables. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws, securing the metal battery connector bracket to the motherboard. Now use the fine tip curved tweezers to remove the metal battery connector bracket and then disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. Use the fine tipped curved tweezers to pull up the edges of the 3 adhesive strips at the bottom of the battery. Grab the end of the first adhesive strip and try to keep the strip flat and wide. Slowly and gently pull each strip up and away from the iPhone. The strips will stretch to many times the length of the battery. Keep pulling until they come out from between the battery and the rear case. Now remove the battery from the rear case of the iPhone 6s Plus. To reassemble your device, follow the steps in reverse order. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.